This lovely Tuesday, gnats everywhere. On this lovely Tuesday, we have two little electric motorbikes, and since they're totally safe, we're gonna have a kind of street racing-esque roll race to it. What do you guys think?
Down.
Down? Down the hill?
Down the hill.
I'm about it.
Are you about it? Let's do this. This bike is slow. Woo! This bike.
It's always the
slow.
equipment, isn't it?
It is the equipment.
Because I'm heavier and I'm pulling uphill.
Yeah, and I was lifting like off everything. It didn't work. Your turn. Bikes used to be dead even with each other.
No, you always had the faster bike. I had the faster bike today.
Wow, that just shows how much slower the other bike is.
I'm winning. Eat my gut!
I think you won.
Yeah, too bad I didn't get it on the GoPro.
Oh.
I think I took a bunch of selfies on it.
Oh! That wheelie life? Oh man. Crashing.
I brake boosted. An electric bike, I brake boosted.